All right. Did you plan to work abroad?
Will you help me?
Well, if you send your CVs, maybe.
How can you send you CV for myself?
Because you were in Bangladesh, yeah?
Yeah. Have you seen Sahabi tree? Just a Sahabi tree in a desert only standing. Inshallah,
Uh,
may Allah help me.
did you feel
May Allah help me. I think that.
ready to mingle? Think it anyway. From studying, what are you doing in the Bangladesh? So what are your plans?
Oh, my plan.
After finishing your master degree?
Have you taken any plan to marry someone?
Self-responsibility beyond your knowledge. Marriage life. I haven't married yet. Will I answer it?
You cannot reply my question answer because you are single. What is this? What is this in right hand? Put off your marks. Put off your marks. I don't like.
yeah,
Marks.
sure.
Yeah, excellent.
Now,
Excellent appearance. Yeah, really. Oh, are you taking rest? Are you taking rest right now? Yeah.
I'm taking some rest.
What time is it now in Dubai? What time?
5:55.
5:55. Just here in our country, Bangladesh, 7:55 p.m. at night. 7:55.
Yeah, nice.
Okay. Just,
That's good.
are you married or single? Are you married or single?
I'm ready to mingle.
Also me is still single. Recently finished.
Mashallah, how old are you?
I'm 30 years old. Already finished master's degree.
30.
MSS degree completed. Higher education completed.
Oh, mashallah. What's your master degree?
Yeah, I have completed MSS degree
What's your degree?
in social work. I finished social work, but I am private teacher. I teach not only English but also mathematics. Private teacher in Bangladesh.
Mashallah. So you spend your 30 days studying? That is so hard.
Yeah. Whenever I get a free time, I try to speak. I practice English here with different people all over the world. I practice English every single day with different topics. Yeah. But what is your future plan of life?
Learn,
What is your future plan of life?
talking English.
What is your future plan of life? Your future,
What is my future plan of life?
yeah. What do you want to do in future? Yeah.
I don't think it anyway.
Actually, you are so much intelligent. So much intelligent. Yeah, really. Actually, eventually.
Yeah, no, I know. Why don't tell me like that? Aside from studying, what are you doing in the Bangladesh?
Already finished master's degree and basically I am private teacher. Private teacher.
So what are your plans?
Oh, my plan.
After finishing your master degree?
Yeah.
What
Actually,
is your plan?
I am trying good job. I am searching good job, but still I don't get any good job. But I am trying heart and soul to get a good job. Inshallah, may Allah help me.
Did you
May Allah help me. I think that.
all right? Did you plan to work abroad?
But yeah, I have taken so much plan. I have passport.
If you are giving a chance to work in the other country, which country do you want to work?
Just Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Qatar. Just this country I like to go. If I get a chance,
Or
yeah. Actually,
all right.
I have
Yeah.
passport. I have passport.
So if ever, what do you work? What job do you want to do here?
Actually, I wanna in a reputed school, college, or university for
You
working.
want to teach?
Yeah, I want to be a teacher. Teacher. It is my dream.
Okay.
It's my cherished. It is cherished.
Um, is there any agencies there?
No, I don't have any agency. Yeah. Will you help me?
Well, if you send your CVs, maybe
Really? Oh.
you can send your CVs. Maybe I can. I will try to send it in some school here. Some some school here. Maybe they will hire or a company
Company.
because you were in Bangladesh. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your name?
This is Zakaria Hussain. Muhammad Zakaria Hussain.
Yeah.
Zakaria Hussain.
Zakaria.
Hussain.
Yeah, I know. Hussein. Hussein.
Hussain. Yeah, yeah.
Zakaria. Oh,
Yeah.
nice name. All right. Okay, let's see what I can do. Just send your CV and let me, you know,
Uh,
let me
how
try.
how can you send you CV for myself?
Uh, you can send it here.
By mailing. By mailing.
Tumoto, grabe yung ano.
By mailing.
Pato mo kang Pato ka
Please
kayo.
listen, listen. By mailing. By mailing. Can I send you?
By mailing? No, 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 no. Do you have WhatsApp?
WhatsApp, yeah. WhatsApp.
Send me your WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Message me. DM me. Alright. DM me, then send me your WhatsApp.
Just I am sharing my WhatsApp number. What?
Okay. DM me here. But then send your number.
After
Alright?
finishing live streaming, I will inbox. I will send it.
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
Inbox.
sure.
Who is talking to you? Who?
Uh,
Who?
my roommate. My, my cousin.
Cousin. How many countries recently visited all over the world?
All over the world, not all over the world. I went in Shahada, Jordan.
Jordan. Have you recently visited Jordan?
I went. Yeah, I visited Jordan. You know Jordan River.
Yeah. Actually, have you seen Sahabi tree? Just a Sahabi tree in a desert only standing. Sahabi tree. Our Prophet Muhammad
That
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, according to
I don't know.
Sahabi tree,
I don't
Jordan.
know what is. I
Oh,
don't know.
you don't know. Oh, have you taken any plan to marry someone if you get right person?
That's deep.
Yeah. Have you taken? Have you taken idea?
Not think about it right now, and I just let everything. I just give everything to the Lord and let Him things happen.
Oh,
So whatever.
really? Okay, okay.
So,
But it is time.
priority and
It is suitable time to marry someone. You really, because you are the established person. You are the establishment right now. Yeah.
I'm not talking about stability. I'm not that stable enough.
Stable. Okay, okay, okay.
No, 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 no. Not stable enough. I have lots of responsibility beyond your knowledge.
Actually,
I have a lot of
I am asking you a general question. Just we are to still single, but I am asking you, what is marriage life? What is marriage life in practically? Please tell me according yourself.
marriage life. I haven't married yet. Will I answer yet? Well, well, we all know that it's not just a piece of paper. You know, it's like uh, mm, marriage. What am I going to say?
Actually, you cannot reply my question answer because you are single. You are single still, also me single. That is why. But I know, I know about this matter in detail. Marriage life means we have so much responsibilities in our life with anyone, with each other. Really? Okay.
With or without marriage, we all have responsibilities.
Yeah.
But the difference is you are focusing to someone or something when you get marriage. You know, to your husband or to your wife, to your kids. You know, you have this what do you call this? A direction. Yeah, direction.
Oh, okay, okay. Actually, you have so much knowledge about marriage life because uh, we should have yeah we should have taken so much knowledge about matter, and we have taken so much gathered knowledge about this matter in detail. Really, what is responsibility? Please explain about yourself according to yourself in our day-to-day life.
Responsibility. What is responsibility? It's something you have to do or you need to do, whether you like it or not.
How do you spend your free time within 24 hours?
Morning when I wake up in the morning, I have 2 days off, Saturday, Sunday. So let's start on Saturday.
Oh, really? What is this? What is this in right hand? What is this?
Like this.
Oh, okay, okay. Thanks, thanks. Excellent, excellent. Nice, nice.
Mm,
Uh, when
Saturday.
when you get
Saturday.
when you get a free time in Dubai, uh, will you go? Do you go to visit? Do you go to visit, or will you go to visit another places, attractive places? Will you go, or do you go?
Yeah, I do. We do. I do with my friends.
Okay, okay.
I do with my friends. Actually, most of the time during, especially now with summer, we can do lots of things like going in the beach. Usually we went in the beach during the night. Have you watched movie?
Yeah. Most of the time, I watch English movie. English movie, reading
What
newspaper,
kind of movie do you watch?
reading newspaper, and watching uh, English news. Most of the time,
I
I
mean,
watch
drama, action.
drama. Oh, basically, I like to watch Bengali drama. Actually, Bengali drama in our country, Bangladesh, most attractive, famous drama. If you go to YouTube,
Okay.
if you go to YouTube and you can write here Bengali drama, you can easily our Bengali drama. It is very attractive, gorgeous,
Okay.
most important Bengali drama.
Okay.
Have you seen? Have,
Okay.
have you seen it?
Think of one of
Ha-
your favorite drama movie, and then if you could change the ending of any movie or of this movie,
Actually,
what would be the ending?
okay, just drama, my favorite drama, Chakhor. Chakhor, Chakhor. Actually, do you have any boyfriend in our country, Bangladesh? Do you have any boyfriend or close friend in our country, Bangladesh?